Tuesday from us, and happy hump day to you. What are we doing? Just walking around? Not spending money? We don't know yet. Why do we bring our sunglasses in? A little windy. We're gonna have a fun day. It's beautiful outside. It's 55. No jackets. No jackets at all. None. That was a nice car. I'm gonna steal that car. Yeah. My sister is too lazy to take the stairs, so we're gonna jump in the elevator. Wait,
What?
wait.
2, 3.
Wait, no, wait. Remember doing handstands in the elevator?
Yes.
For gymnastics meets? That was the life. Oh, that was weird. I haven't been on an elevator in too long. On a beautiful day, it's gonna rain. Why?
Beautiful.
Why is it mad at that?
And it's like horrible.
Beautiful, then crappy. Why? Why? My sister's a very nice person. She bought me a top, but I had to pay her back, and then she bought me a necklace. And now we're gonna go to Tucci's and eat some pizza. Right, Samantha? Pizza. Pizza. We feel fat, don't we? Oh, it's so nice out. I love Bertucci's. It is awesome. Now let's go to Target. It's not called Target, it's called Target. Used to be so cool when you said Target in middle school. Target. Do the pop, lock, and drop it to crack your knee. You're getting too old. We're gonna drive through some seagulls. Some seagulls. Wait, how do you say it?
Shut it. No, I'm moving.
Move! That's not, I thought it was, okay. Come on.
They're not moving.
Come on, move.
Why aren't they moving?
Why aren't you moving? Oh my god. No, you're gonna run over one!
I don't want to run over.
No! We're home now, and we're going on the trampoline. Woohoo! At the trampoline! Woo! Alright, backflip ready! Woo! I'm scared I'm gonna like throw my phone. By the way, happy St. Patrick's Day. Well, today, not tomorrow. Today, whatever. Happy St. Patrick's Day! It's so windy, I thought we had to get our trash cans. I'll get the green one. It's so windy out. Okay. No. Why? I'm recording myself.
I asked you to record my job.
I think so. You don't have to.
I want to see it.
Got a little darker out, and it's starting to get a little colder, but I'm back in my car, like my actual car. Nice moon roof. Hello! And I'm going over at Christian's house, so I'll see you guys when I get there.
My same style, left, right, back. Right, left, flick it.
Every time, too.
Left, right, flick it.
So I got home and I'm gonna go to bed. Happy St. Patrick's Day, which was, you know, yesterday. Sorry, because you're watching today's video. But it was a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye, guys.